So welcome to the second day here in Xinjiang. I'm waking up to a fantastic breakfast buffet at a local place. So I can see in the background you have a lot of local stuff. We also got this interesting thing, you can pick your own foods, like squid even, and like a lot of vegetables, make it, then prepare it for you. And also try to start the day with high protein and quite low carbs, saving that for later. So getting a lot of energy here for a long day of road tripping ahead. Hopefully get some nice drone footage, a lot of cool landscape. It's gonna be like 7 hours of driving, so I don't want to eat too much. We're just gonna sit down. But also I think we're gonna see a very nice lake, maybe some caves, so follow along and see a bit later. Okay, so we arrived at the folk custom garden of the Heavenly Lake, and the Heavenly Lake is actually the lake that we're gonna see. But apparently there's a lot of cultural stuff going on as well. Can I put it in the mask? We have a lot of food here. Here we have a lot of interesting stuff in the background. Yeah, here we have some rice with lamb. Very good. Yeah, maybe we'll try it later. Let's see what they have. Rice, yes. Here we also have a lot of interesting stuff here. Noodles, I think. Very nice. And some small little bao. Maybe it's like lamb with something inside. I feel I have to try it. Nice. Nice. Exactly. Let's try it. Okay, so we figured out we actually need 20 more minutes to go to the lake, so we need some energy first. So I found some fantastic lamb meat here. So they give you this, I think it's called like the rice pilaf or something, like the hand mixed rice with lamb beer. It's a local specialty, so let's try it out. Very nice. Tasty nut. And the rice is very greasy from the lamb fat. Then we have this little package of, I don't know, baked something with lamb also inside. Very crispy here, but we can see it. Let's have a bite. Very crunchy. Definitely a good break. Some carbs here, maybe good for sharing. Definitely very nice here. Yeah, a lot of good fat here also. Wow, that's crazy. I guess you have to use your hands here. You get like the whole bone here. Almost like only fat that's sticking. Messy and a lot of good meat. Wow, that's very good. Yeah, give us some good energy to go walking, to enjoy this. See you a bit later. I saw that they actually have skewers here. Lamb skewers are really one of my favorites in China, so I figured I can't skip that. And actually had a lot of rice there, but I don't feel full so long from rice. I'd rather have protein, so I'm actually gonna not eat all of that rice. Instead, I'm gonna have some of this lamb meat. It's a lot of fat and also protein, so it keeps you full longer. So perfect if you're gonna be out walking. There's some carbs to keep energized, but not too much, so let's try that out soon. Ooh, this here, nice. Okay, so we got our 2 skewers here and we are ready to dig in. Okay, so we got these amazing skewers, as you can see, hopefully in the background. We got 2 here, perfect. I could definitely eat like 10 of these, but I'm gonna save some space and also gonna walk a bit, so let's dig in and try it. That is amazing. You have the lamb and the chili, and you have the guy in the background, and then we have some cumin. Definitely get a bit busy, but this is amazing. Very hardcore. It's just like meat and spices. Fantastic. I enjoy this a bit slowly, but really nice. Now we have a lot of energy to continue exploring, so see you over there. Definitely a lot of interesting local food you can try everywhere here. It's like tents, people sitting down, skewers, these nice kind of bread dishes, but we have many days to go, and we have also dinner tonight that hopefully will be nice when we have finished the whole road trip. So just gonna go and see that lake first. I'm sure we're gonna see a lot of interesting things later today. Oh, here we have a guy playing a local instrument. Definitely some pretty cool music vibes here in the background. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's definitely cool, and we have a lot of nice trees here in the background as well. Wow. But now we're gonna go to the lake. It's like 20 kilometers away. Very nice. You have all these like old huts here in the background, actually, as you can see here. A lot of people, I'm clearly not alone here. But yeah, it's a pretty famous spot here along the way, so a lot of cool stuff to see for sure. Here we have some dead animals. I'm not sure if that's like the lambs or what we're dealing with, but a lot of exotic stuff, that's for sure. Okay, so we finally made it to the lake here, the Tianshan Tianzhi, and it's actually really nice. You have some yellow colors even in the background here. Obviously the lake is super beautiful and you have a lot of mountains here. And you can even take a bit of a boat ride. We're going to skip that because we're going to drive 7 hours later. But we are going to take the cable car up. So just going to enjoy this very nice sunshine and beautiful day here. Get some drone shots, hopefully. And yeah, just relax a little bit before just jumping in the car. So I'm going to make the most of the day. Super nice. So see you a bit later. Okay, so now I took a bit of a bus ride up actually to this super beautiful scenery. You have all these like mountains here. It feels kind of up in the Alps or something. You have this like cottage here in the background. We're gonna take the lift up here, see what's up there. I heard it's very beautiful views. I guess you're not gonna be able to fly the drone, but still very nice to see. So let's jump out and see what's up there. Okay, it's time to get on the cable car. Oh, nice. Very nice. That was a short but sweet, nice gondola ride up. Now we arrived on the top. I think you can walk up this nice stairs here. So that seems to be the next step. Let's see what's on top. Yeah, it took kind of a while to get all the way up on the mountain, but the views are really spectacular. Just getting some nice drone shots in. But actually we have like 500 kilometers less to drive today, 7 hours. So it's going to be a bit of a quick enjoyment. It's pretty cool. You see all this icy mountains in the background. Reminds me of the trip to Xinjiang. So it's gonna spend a little bit of time here, but not too much. Then it's gonna be a long road trip, so we'll see. Probably arrive very late, so we'll see. Hopefully find some interesting things on the way, but can't spend too much time. It's gonna be pitch dark, but the thing is, it's actually bright very long here, so quite interesting. The sun set is very late, so yeah, gonna go down after this. See you soon. We just had a bit of a stop here on the big highway. It's really windy. It feels like being in a warm air oven or something. It's 8:30 actually, but as you can see, it's actually really bright outside. Passing by a lot of pretty cool landscape here in the backyard. As you can see, with like windmills and mountains, definitely changing the environment a lot. But even out here, you can find some quite okay food, some nice like dumplings and chow mein, the fried noodles, a little bit of chicken. Not ideal, but you know, could be worse, especially when you're literally in the middle of like nowhere. So now we're gonna continue drive like 4 or 5 hours, probably arrive at midnight, so we'll see. See you over there. Okay, so it's 11 p.m. now and the sun actually went down only like an hour ago. It's 10 p.m. It's, I guess you can't see it, but actually you can see the stars here in the sky because it's so clear. I guess it's too dark here in the background, but really crazy out there, basically in the desert. Now it's finally like a bit cooler, maybe like 27 degrees, and we're just stopping and it's basically nothing. It's just kind of a nice restroom here, or it's basically a hole in the ground actually. So I think on that very positive note, we have 2 or 3 more hours of driving to go. Not going to do so much more today, obviously. So I think I'm just gonna leave you guys here. But if you want to see what's gonna happen tomorrow in the next clip, let me know and maybe subscribe and leave me a like. So if you want to see more of that, I will see you in the next video.